Hello everyone, good morning. July 4th, 2024. So today we are beginning with our project number 2, which will be termed as Birthday Wish Project, and which is phase 1, which will be having 3 phases. So if you people remember and if you people are working, you people are working on Welcome Project, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 are still pending. Along with that, we are trying to start with Birthday Wish Project, phase 1. Okay. Birthday Wish Project, phase 1. So this is a simple project where you people have to go with the things what it is required. So what is that you'll be beginning? So this project, so with respect to this one, as I mentioned, so this is a simple project. Very simple is anyone who is celebrating their birthday today. Okay, anyone who is celebrating their birthday today, you people have to send out a birthday email to them. So very simple one. So you have to think about what you should need, and it will be using Automation Studio as of today for sending the email. So for that, what is that it is required? Okay. What do you require? You need master D, correct? And very importantly, you need birth date field, correct? All the other fields are there. If birth date field is not present, ensure that you are asking your client to create it or you create it, and then add information in this birth date field. And obviously, you need to have an email, as we know, as usual. So you'll be creating an email, right? So you need an email. And obviously, we need to understand what all the other things it is required. So we need a master D, and that D should have birth date. So we'll be not sending any email to master D, as we know. It will be treated as a profile information D or the information of your subscriber. That is birth date. This is very important. We want an email, and that email will be sent with the help of Automation Studio. Okay. Three simple components which is required, and all the other basics are still the same, that you need a send classification, you need the from details and all the other things as usual. That is all there. So we are trying to send someone who's celebrating birthday. So very importantly, I would like to explain you people the data and how you should filter it. So let's take an example of Chandra Prasad. So my birthday is on 14th November. So what is my birth date? Is this. So if you are trying to send an email to Chandra Prasad, if you are trying to send an email to Chandra Prasad, so can you send it on 14th November 1986? No, that is my birthday. You are trying to send an email to Chandra Prasad on 14th November 2024, correct? So now, if you compare these two dates, 14th November 1986, is it equal to, is it equal to correct? Is it equal to November 14th November 2024? The answer is no. So you cannot use the operator equals here. Remember this, you cannot use the operator equals. So what will be the answer for this one? 14th November 1986, is it equal to 14th November 2024? The answer is false, correct? Now, what is that you should do when you are trying to compare the birth date with the email send date? Email send date is 14th November 2024, and you're trying to compare with 14th November 1986. The answer will be false. So instead of comparing this, you will be comparing 14th November 1986 is anniversary. There is an operator called anniversary. Instead of using equals operator, you will be using anniversary operator. So what is anniversary operator will be doing? So remember this. So what you should be not doing, you should not compare 14 November 1986 with 14 November 2024. Instead of, you'll be checking with 14 November with 14 November. Anniversary is an operator in Marketing Cloud data filters or filter activities, which will compare date and month, which will compare date and month. So if you use equals operator, it will check for date, month here. If you use anniversary operator, it will check for date and month. So what will be the advantage of using anniversary? Anniversary is the operator which is now check the date. 14th is equal to 14, November is equal to November. It is true, and the email will be sent out. So this is one of the key things to remember, how to use anniversary. And this example is also to educating people that date data type is very, very important when you want to use anniversary operator before or after. There are some operators which will be helpful. Date data type is very, very important to use anniversary, because in real world implementation, you will send an email on 14 November 2024, but actual birth date is 14 November 1986. If you use equals operator, it will be telling it as false. Anniversary will be going down. So date and month has to be checked, only date and month. To do that, we need anniversary operator. This is very key point to remember. And birth date is a field which should be of date data type. We need an email, and we will be using Automation Studio to send the email. So once the filter is being created, as we know some of the steps which we have learned yesterday, how to create an automated filter with the help of filter activity. So this is the simplest project what we are doing, but we need this birth date. If it is not present, you have to go and create it and ask your clients to update it, clients, subscribers, or your team. But we need this field. Whether it has value or doesn't have a value, that's a different story. But without having this field, we cannot make this project happen. So what is the second thing? We need email, and last we need automation. So the project is very simple initially because it is phase one. Phase one is very simple. And if there are no people who will be celebrating their birthday, we need to even use the verification activity, which I'll be teaching you people today how to use verification activity in birthday project. Okay. So anyone has any question with this picture which I'm trying to portray with you people? If you have questions, do let me know. If not, as usual, we'll be creating one email today with personalization and others, and we'll be creating this field called birthday email, and also this project will be completed today itself in part 2. So are you people clear with the basic requirement of this project?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. So if everyone is clear with this basic requirement of the project, so I'll be pausing or I'll be stopping this recording so that the second one will be completely within the two. So let me stop the screen sharing first. Let me stop the recording.